It's the day before the big Martin auction, and I'm going to do a preview. There's 4 tractors here, and they're just stunners, man. Stunner to the eye, stunner to the ear, stunner to the psyche, stunner to the soul. And that's that. The 826, that story ain't over yet. And I'll leave it at that. Let's go check out this red power. Boom. Missile. Well, I'm under this cover part. It's kind of raining, sprinkling, but see a 560 sitting there. John Deere grain drills. They were sitting here last year too. This is where the 1206 Wheatland was last year, if you remember last year's auction. And yeah, they got a bunch of stuff in here, man. Really nice stuff too. Got a little boater there, some Ranger. I mean, stuff for days. But the other side of those John Deere combines, I am certain there is some red power. Let's go check it out. You already know if it's blue, it's for you. Got a nice looking Ford 3000 sitting here. It's doing the hillside hustle. I don't know if I can. I mean, it's parked on a hillside, but everything down here is hills. So yeah, check out the back. Let's read the tag. New engine overhaul. Sweet. What year? How many hours since? Beggars or choosers type deal. Oh yeah, we got red clay type mud down here, and then yeah, just a 540 and a Cat 1 looks like. Cat 1 3-point. No remote. Toolbox though. And it is, again, it's nice looking. So I got a little up close and personal, or more so, and I'm looking to see if there's red power. I see some green and maybe Case IH next to it. Decent sized green, like maybe a 4430 or something, you know. But and I come here and there is this, looks like a 656 type international 656, looks like a 5100 grain drill. But then I come back here and I'm not seeing much. I mean, this won't be bad walking here, but you get down in there and it's game over. And yeah, I do have rubber boot skis, but it doesn't matter. Once you slip and fall, you might as well just keep rolling in it. But yeah, we're not going to be parking down here, that's for sure. Looks like they have more stuff this year. That's probably part of the reason. Oh, there is a red tractor over there, and it looks maybe like a 686. I can't tell from here. It's about 200 yards away. Let's go check it out. Okay, it's an 884. Man. I don't know how they plan on getting through here with the auction buggy. I see some Case IH corn planters down there, or planters in general. Looks like maybe a white over there. Tractor 884. They had 2 of those here last year. For sure I see Case IH up there, not sure what model. I mean, there's just stuff upon stuff that, you know, they're going to shut this place down. I don't know. They may end up going till 7, 8 o'clock at night. Who knows? They will be running more than one ring, obviously. Oh, there's a couple front wheel assist John Deere 4255 and a 4450. And they will need that front wheel assist down in here. Camera probably don't make it look as bad as what it is, but it's bad. Bad for walking. Actually, I take that back. Let's warm you up a little bit. We got a 560 gasser here. And item number 1108. Just a decent looking gasser, narrow front. And, you know, nothing special, no fenders, but makes a fat guy like me able to get on and off with a little more ease, fast hitch. There will come a day when I buy a 560, but it probably won't be a gasser. Yeah, one remote. Yeah, we'll see this sell tomorrow. And Farmall, work close. H-ski. Yeah. Talk about easy to change that out, huh? And she dangling, hold on loosely. 38 special. At the end of last night's video, this is the 1256 that I was talking about. The old narrow front. I think it's just completely cool. And pretty sure this one's been around the block a few times. Not going to say where. If you know, you know. Let's check out the back. Oh yeah. Got the Cat 3. 540. You know, dual remote. That looks like internet IH top link. Dylan, you'll know. But this is a dandy. There is one thing about it. You know, they all have their faults. This certainly has one. Smooth skin on there. Gosh, this side here is your plow side, furrow side, probably. Man, I'm going to be really nice and say 20%. I'm really nice about it today. Having a good day today. Yeah, I'm going to bid on this. I just am. It's me. You know, I'm a letter series guy by nature. You know, I'm an MH, Super MTA, Super M guy. And this kind of has the look with the narrow front. Everybody used to accuse me, oh, you're afraid of narrow fronts. I just didn't find a narrow front at the time that I liked. I've got 2 or 3 now. And if I win this one, I'll have 4. There you go. And when I'm all done previewing these tractors, I'm going to show you the fault it has. And some of you ain't going to like it. Probably a lot of you guys. Okay, 1256-2, wide front. Got the weights on the front. New seat. And believe it or not, that seat's not bad at all. That was new at one point in time when this was restored or whatever was done to it. But yeah, it's a nice tractor here. They talk nut and bolt restoration. Well, there you go. There's your bolts. Let's check it out. Duty TA. So we'll, oh, okay, heavy duty. New heavy duty clutch, rebuilt injection pump, like new 18. The AIDS weight 7,800, 7,600 hours, fresh paint, restored condition. Okay. And I can't get through there, so I'm gonna have to walk the other way. Still got some knobbies on here. That's cool. Here's the other side, big smokestack, chrome. That is. I'm not even pulling dipsticks. Now, tomorrow they will have all these machines running. They will be, and they run for a long time. If there's a half a tank by the time this thing sells, it'll have a quarter tank. But yeah, no battery cover. Oh man, let's check out the back. I'm sure it's gonna be, yeah, Cat 3, 2 remotes. This is a nice machine here too. I can't see this going for anything under high 20s. High 20s, even low 30s. That one there, because of what I'm going to show you, shouldn't go for more than, well, we're going to save that. All right, we got yet a third 1256, no front weight, still chrome stack. We're going to read the tag on this one too. Skins are actually nice on there. Let's see. Strong TA, dual remote. Nice rubber, all gone over with many new parts, fresh paint, 7,900 hours, nice condition. Okay, I mean, you know, a lot of guys keep them on there just so the line, you know, I don't know. I would think this thing probably does not need ether to start, but yeah, it's a nice machine too. Both these skins are suitable, probably last me a lifetime. You know, this stuff here is like tricanery. If you didn't fully restore, you throw a couple new ones in there and look like you did. But yeah, this is, yeah, same thing. 540,000, dual remote, Cat 3. Looks good, nice seat, comfortable seats. Yeah, 3 right in a row. All right, a 1466 with a bonnet on it, and this nice machine too. Rear skins, they're kind of weather checked, but there's, I don't know, 40%, 30% tread on there ish. It's a nice machine here. 6,700 hours, February 26th of this year. So there you go. Walk right around the back. Cat 3, duals. Okay. So you're just getting more power in this tractor and an upgraded version. Yeah, see, it's, yeah, they're checked. I mean, Titans, I'd run them. Item 3212. Looks really good, man. They always do here. I mean, they're always top-notch stuff here. It's just teeters on absurd. Okay, let's go. What's this tractor gonna go for? Probably low 30s, right in that range. The skin or no skin, being new, and these are checked too. You know, but yeah, I still see it popping, breaking 30,000. So let's go 30,000. We're gonna go 25.5. This one here. This one will go 27.5, and this one will go maybe 22, maybe. And now I'm going to show you what I've been holding out. Maybe you noticed. It's TA delete, you know, and for a lot of guys that it's bothersome, because that's what separated, you know, let's just say this is a 1970, you know, that's what separated Farmall, International Farmall, from the rest of the tractor. I mean, you know, without a torque amplifier, I once heard somebody say it's half the tractor, and in a way it kind of is, because essentially what a torque amplifier does, you're out in the field and you're struggling and straining, you pull the TA back and it, you know, kicks you down a half a gear, kinda, and repowers the tractor, and you keep on rolling. There's probably collectors out there that have, you know, a wide front 1256, a narrow front 1256, both TAs, and maybe they're looking for a factory TA delete, you know, for their collection. It wouldn't surprise me at all, but I just think it's kind of neat. Got the narrow front and plenty of power. I mean, you'd have to dyno it to see exactly what it's set up at, but truthfully, this thing should spit out 130 horse, no problem. I've always said that if I'm gonna bid on something, I'm gonna fire it up so regulators mount up. There you go. Elzel's Tractor Restoration, Woodbury, PA. Okay, we didn't read this tag. Narrow front, dual remote, dual PTO, Firestone, recently restored ride and drive. Well, I ain't gonna drive, but I'll sit and start. Well, I got a volunteer up there. He's got a 1256 himself. Oh, there he goes. He's got a 1256 at home. He says his ain't painted, but he bought his for Poland. There you go. You can smoke your Lucky Strikes. Yeah, and you know, it ain't perfect. It ain't perfect, but shoot, none of them are. You know, if you smells right, dynamite. Well, run and start about like yours.
I didn't drive it, so I don't really know.
Well, you don't have to worry about the TA not working. Well, it is a red channel, but we'll go ahead and get some greenies in here. 4020, and I don't think that's a note. I think that, well, man, maybe it is. 72, that's all it says. 4020. And then, actually, we're going to see an 806 sell at the Boke auction, and old 806 ate the 4020's lunch. And here's another 4020, item 112, and this does have a note. Heavy duty clutch disc. Well, there, you can read it. 4,900 hours, I'm guessing. Paper folded. And then we got a B. Now, normally I say B isn't bad and all that good stuff, but it's not red. So it ain't that bad. Well, it is bad, but literally bad. So yeah, chrome stacker. Get your wallet out and lay down some smackers. And you can see there's, you know, tractors, equipment galore. Where the smalls are, I don't know. But yeah, this is every bit as big as it was last year. I'm still scratching my head on parking. Probably maybe park alongside down the road. They're not going to let us park in the field this year. Apparently it's too wet, but didn't have that big of a problem last year. I do think it was drier. Got to be like 68 degrees, and it was late February, so you know, they got just a lot of stuff. 2020 with a loader. What's this? 3020. Case IH JX 1060C. I mean, just by the time they get to the red, I will tell you, it'll probably be about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon if we're lucky. I mean, geez, there's a set of pull type discs for maybe like, I don't know, an A, something like that. But yeah, I mean, if your imagination holds it, it's here, and that's for sure. This is where the plane kept buzzing over last year too, so maybe they'll do it again tomorrow. This is something neat I've never seen. I get, what do they call this? The utility row crop diesel. So that's, I'm guessing, 282, American 282. And you know what to do, just kind of that tweener in between. Got a TA oil change February 22nd. Yeah. Oh, these are Firestone. They're actually field and road, and they don't look road hard, put away wet. They're 15.5 38s, and it just doesn't look like they are, but they are. 540 Cat 2, 1 remote. Neat tractor. More skin there than there, so I don't know, maybe they plowed with it. Well, there you go. Those are the tractors I covered. I could have done a 3-part series, a 4-part series auction preview here. I mean, there's that much stuff. I didn't even cover the smalls that are in the building. It's like Disney World for, you know, an antique tractor lover. You know, this is the dealership. This is it. You know, one of these videos, man, the quest is going to end, and maybe it's tomorrow. I'll see you then.